Làm gì á? Làm gì á? Làm gì vậy? Không lại mình làm gì? Không gà mình đi đâu?
Ông ngoại. This is ông ngoại. Feel that? That's ông ngoại. This is ông ngoại. Ông ngoại. It's the end of the month, and today we are going to do some extreme cleaning. We have our third load of laundry in. We probably have like 3 or 4 more, but just finished with the cloth diapers. Let's go hang it up. All the diaper stuff is hung up. Hang on, okay. Hang on, okay. Is that how you use your blinky? You like your knees cold? You like your knees cold? Hi, baby. Hi, good morning. It's not really morning, Fuzzy. It's like 2 something already. And Mommy's been cleaning the whole time. You want me to hold your knee? Is that better? Like that? Hi. Hi. Hang on, okay. Hi, baby. Hi, Klazukai. How's your nap, Klazukai? What's your hand doing, huh? What's your hand doing? You got eye boogies. You got eye boogies. Klazukai is super comfortable. Yeah, Klazukai, soon you won't need us to do that. Okay, ready? Whoa. Hi. That. Oops. What you doing with your legs? Huh? What you doing with your legs? How comfortable are you, honey? There's a baby just wiggling around.
I could fall asleep like this.
That's all you want to do.
Oh,
Hey, did he just...
he just did that by himself.
That's a guy!
Good job.
Wow! He's smiling? Good job!
Don't fall off the couch, honey.
Gosh, you're so flexible too. I hope you stay flexible like this.
No, your dad's so inflexible.
Yeah, I know.
I'm stiff as a rock.
When did you start like making that? It used to be really cute, like and it's like Mr. T.
I wonder how deep his voice is gonna be. Let me start speaking this.
Puberty. He's really testing out his vocal cords.
It's either this or
Oh my god.
the banana straight up poking my neck.
Father and son sharing a banana. Wow, that was...
Aww. Trying to kiss daddy?
He's like, where's my banana? I just saw his tongue lick your cheek. Did you feel it?
No.
You did. His tongue actually like went out and like
You're so cute.
licked your cheek.
Yeah, you're so cute. Oh my god. He's like looking out. You're so cute.
That's what I'm used to hearing.
I love you, boy. Just lay there. Ow, ow, that's inside my ear.
Is it eating your face?
Oh my god, yeah.
Is it eating your face?
Yeah. Kissing daddy? Oh my god.
I don't know, his mouth is wide open. I don't think it's
Oh, that hurts. Hey.
Has he banned you yet?
You smile.
Someone just took a bath.
I wonder who.
Ichiban.
Yeah. And him.
Oh yeah, and baby. Not together. Not yet.
You imagine it together? You just pull Ichiban's hair all the time. The whole time. His tail. Ah, you're such a little punk. Huh? A little punk? A little whiner. He's not in pain. Jesus. You are so loud. You know where you get it from? You get it from Mama, right?
Don't you just love it? Yeah, don't you just love that?
I love the screaming in my ear, yes. Oh, down you go. Timber.